Hello guys, once again, welcome to Denzel TV. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get any update from me. So guys, please, without further ado, today I'll be showing you a new free mining website that you can earn something small from there. So guys, please, without further ado, let me take you through the site. So we have here a site called cloudminers.com. So first of all, you come here, you need to register an account with them. So to do so, you need to go through the registration process. For the registration, all you need to do is click on the registration this one button, then you type in your username, then you come here, you type in your mail, then your password, then you confirm your password again, then you click on the human verification that you are a human and not a robot, then you agree to their terms and conditions over here. From there you log in. If you're already having an account, you just click on login. So I'm already having an account, so I'll just log in. Over here. So when I log in, this is my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So when you come here, you need to click on this option tab. When this option tab opens, you can see from here power shop. For the power shop, it is where you buy your power. So currently I'm having 1000 GHS, which is free. So from here you can purchase any of this power so that you can earn more and more and more and more. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You can do this at your own risks. So when you come over here, we have a spin. So the spin, you go there, then you spin. They have rewards. They are the rewards maybe you earn from your referral and other stuff. You see, when you purchase or when you refer your friends, you get rewards from it. Or you can recharge also. That's the same as the deposit. You can deposit. Their minimum deposit is 0.00002, which is not even up to $7. So you can decide to purchase at your own risk and invest in here. So that's all you basically need to do. So let's go to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So I'm currently mining and they have estimated your minings for you. I'm actually on a free one, so I will get hourly profit of 31 satoshi, 744 daily, 5211 profit every week, and 23,078 every month. That's for the free. So when you deposit, you're going to earn more and more and more. For the payment system, you just add your Bitcoin address over here so that you can withdraw from this site. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this side so that you earn something from here. So you can, if you are from Ghana, you can convert your currency, and you can convert from BTC to Ghana cedi. So you see, you can convert from BTC to Ghana cedi. So you can convert everything from BTC to Ghana cedi. So they have a daily profit of 1.81 Ghana cedi, and weekly they will give you 12 cedis, 65 pesos, and monthly they will give you 56 Ghana cedis. It's really cool because this one is the free plan. And when you join their Telegram, you get another. When you join their Telegram, you see get another 1000 GHS. So adding up, you get 2000 GHS. I've not even joined their Telegram yet. I'll join later, and I think I'll deposit on this site. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You can deposit at your own risk. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get update from me. Guys, kindly support me so that I'll keep on bringing you free miners. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel.